Hello and welcome to Ross & Park Motors. Another new arrival today. This time it's a Ford S-Max, very clean car, 2012 on a 12 plate, 121,000 miles. Now these are 7-seaters and this is the more powerful of the 2 litres, the 163 brake horsepower titanium spec. So it's a nice spec with cruise control, rear privacy glass, aircon, or dual zone aircon actually, USB, DAB, Bluetooth streaming, you get the idea. It's a good spec. It's nice and clean, it's all just been machine polished, but all the seats all cleaned as well. So they're looking nice inside. They do drive well. Good on fuel, 50 plus to a gallon if you take your time. And this one has done 121,334 miles as we do the video. It's got service history, it will come with a service as well. It will come with a new MOT. It will come with 3 months parts and labour warranty, and with the MOT as well, we'll always aim to get you no advisories. More pictures on the website, it's rossandparkmotors.co.uk, or you can give us a call 07 868 722 133.